So in this video, we'll talk about Node Mailer, which is a Node.js module, and we use this module to send emails to the clients. So in this video, we'll talk about doing some configuration on the Google account. So just stay with me, and in the next part, we'll configure the Node Mailer. So in this video, we'll create an app password for our Node Mailer. So we'll go to the Google and click on Manage Accounts. Now go to the Security and make sure that the two-factor authentication is actually enabled. Come down and click on the phone number and add your phone number over here. Select the country and type valid phone number. Click on next, and this will send a code to your phone. Just type the code over here. And click on verify. This will turn on the two-factor authentication on your account. After that, you can go back. You can see the status of the two-step verification. Just refresh the page to make sure that everything is fine. Now go to the search and type app passwords. Select the app passwords. Set any name to your application. I'll select Enatega test. Just keep track and save these information in any notepad. So this is the app name and this is your password. Just save both the name and the password. And we'll add these two configurations, these configurations to our admin portal. Now let's open the admin portal and go to the configuration. We have Node Mailer email portion. We have three things: the app name that we selected, the password, and the email that we used to log in. So the app name is Enatega-test. The password is this one. Just copy it and paste it in your configuration. For the email, you have to select the email of the account that you were logged in. In my case, it was Gmail address. You can just save it and this configuration has been updated. You can just go back and refresh the page and you can see that the inputs are still populated.